you get yawa, I'm a bossy down. I go just para, I'm a mind digger. I go just stay. Follow my lead.
Display the best 5 points on the sharply on the red tab or by voice.
You know, when in Rome, do as the Romans. Damn. Okay, take to the bus. All right, I see you get here.
This is a beautiful view.
Oh, wow, it is.
Oh, you was so cute. She said, y'all see me?
So beautiful.
Who else got sand in their shoes that wants to wash their feet?
I want to get in the sand.
No, for real.
And he wanted to stay for a birthday party.
So neat.
Right, you said I got something back. Literally.
Oh my God.
It's perfect. I like the little footprints in this. Maybe they'll think
With the palm trees. Beautiful.
Yeah, well, I'm glad you think so.
I want to look organic raw.
Yours look the best. Take a bite.
I don't know. You this one was good.
Says those who have never seen bananas on the tree before.
This land was 20, 30 feet above sea.
Oh yeah. Just hot. I feel like I'm in Italy over here. Oh yeah. Beautiful.
Watching?
You gonna skip it?
You got it. Damn, you dunked it.
Oh wow.
You lock our door? What do you mean I locked the door? Did you lock it? Yeah, don't do WhatsApp because group me don't always go through.
That's crazy.
Little itty bitty cup.
Oh my God. Oh, let me get
Can I play a song?
Well, you know how to find out that.
Shake it, baby, don't
Yeah. She brought me.
Hold up, fuck right up.
Oh.
So drink, motherfucker, drink, motherfucker, drink, motherfucker, drink.
Hey.
Shot, motherfucker, shot. Shot, motherfucker, shot. Shot, motherfucker, shot, motherfucker, shot, motherfucker, shot, motherfucker, shot, motherfucker, shot,
No music.
I do. I need.
come on.
Okay. Oh, not that.
We're gonna go down this list. We're gonna get everything on this list.
I'm gonna do the first three.
I'm so. Can I have a napkin?
You know we gotta get them back.
Yeah, I'm gonna do the first three.
You need one. We raw dog.
Get in there. Get in there.
We raw dog.
Good morning. Is. They're open. The flip. Oh, shit.
No, we woke up early. We were both up early.
It's so
But
cute.
if I would have known, I would have stayed with her. We could have gone to these together.
Yeah, really.
Got it. Thank you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Hi. How are you? Nice to meet you. Hey, baby waves. Hey, so. Again, yes. How long have you been in Disney? A year? Mm-hmm. Let's.
So everyone, so that's the McDonald's.
British Colonial.
Hey, dude.
That's probably up there.
Y'all wanted them at home.
Y'all didn't get under my down. I jumped off the horse and I started to flip. I also opened the blinds.
You open the blind. You don't do that again.
That's the part. As you know, I incorporate one thing.
No. You take the water, give it to the camera.
For details.
Scratching itself. Literally, that's picture smart.
I'll tell you still in the back.
Oh wow. Please. Uno with a whole bunch of honestly, who wants to play Uno?
Wild ginger.
Hey, can somebody go help me find coconuts?
There y'all. Organic. I am.
That it's literally survival.
Yeah,
As soon as it.
What? Oh my God. Hey.
Pumpkin, yeah.
Oh,
you'll get hit in the head.
Look, the baby's good.
let me come over here.
Here y'all go.
I just want to see y'all feed them.
Wait, hey, can I get
Oh, they eat them whole?
Can I get up in here?
Oh.
They're gonna be pulling on
Oh my gosh.
Here, get this. Oh, you want it? You want it, mama? Oh, you're so cute.
He said they're good. They're good. Don't go to the end.
Okay. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Look at the greenery. Seedling. Oh. Wow. He said pretty much every vegetable that we eat is out here.
Oh, look at those colors.
They control the temperature.
I did not see that.
Beautiful.
Thanks. But what I do is, in the farm, I planted a whole lot of banana trees. And what I do is I intercrop in between them. So a lot of the times, I could still get the things that are difficult to grow during the summer. Once we leave from here, we walk across the Turtle Point. And I guess we may as well just shoot through the farm and take a little look at some of the stuff. And then when we come back, I guess we'll be thirsty enough to drink our coconuts.
Yay.
Well, we ain't get to get rid of it yet. This is another one that I actually dug out here and built a bridge and actually set it in place. Yes.
How beautiful.
Everything you see here was put here.
Wow.
Yeah. It would have saved me a
Beautiful,
lot
sir.
of work if I had been here.
It's a lot of work. It looks like a lot of work. And then you have to refill.
Cook with.
They cook with it?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
The Philippines will actually take these leaves, cut these,
Yeah.
strip them off, and then cut them up and eat them. The Trinidadians, they like to cook the center leaf.
Oh.
Like this piece, center piece was coming out.
Like,
they
is it
cut
sweet
that-
or it's like?
Well, it's tender. And they use it for the little sauteing and all the stuff like that.
Yeah, okay.
That's a root crop too.
Nice.
The fennel, the leeks,
I wanna
the
smell it.
chive.
I want to smell it.
Yeah.
Yeah, can I smell
And then they
it?
use it for tea as well.
Yes, sir.
Because of the
Yeah, kind of musty.
you have something that are purple, you have something that are green.
Right.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, strawberry. At the end of the season.
Those are beautiful. Oh, wow. Thank
I'll
you.
give them out.
This one, I just wanted to see.
No, I didn't want to. Oh,
I would
Give
use
it to her.
lemongrass.
smells like lemon.
I would use it. That would be rubbly.
Lemongrass.
We're stronger, you see.
Yeah, I can't fool with this now. I have to use it in my teeth.
I tried to pull. I tried to pull.
You make it that little piece there?
Chew it and then spit it out. Don't swallow it. Chew it to get the juice and then.
All right, let's keep going because we backing up the line here. Ooh.
You skipping the line, sir? Thank you so much.
Hey, why don't get them out? Vincent, why don't you get talk to the big dog girl?
How do you like it?
I like it. It's really good. I love coconut water.
You can take a picture if you want.
Cheers.
This one drops like
Big cart right there. Mrs. Sinclair. He's been a great host to us.
Yes.
And we're all loving it. We're having fun. Yeah.
With the machete guy.
This is.
Yeah, it takes a little technique.
Thank you.
Vibe right now.
Low. Oh. Yeah. Yeah. Oh. Yeah.
Anything I talk where you talk, I go do. Me, I know they see another girl.
Tomorrow you're gonna go to Andros.
Okay.
On Wednesday you're gonna go to Eleuthera.
Okay.
So you're gonna spend Wednesday and Thursday on Eleuthera. I'm sorry everyone.
I'm just sorry. Be quiet. Say it. But I don't even want you.
It's my last time feeling like this ever. I love my family, man.
One more I go. Use the professor, you'll go there.
No, Shakari's gonna go in there. I'll stay with this group. So one of you.
Let's go.
Yo, pray for me. Look at this small ass plane. Boots? That's so cute.
You got the blue one. You wanted the blue.
I ain't never been on a plane this small. The number. Y'all. Stressed out.
Really, nigga?
Sipping, reminiscing on days when I had a Mustang. This kind of love is getting expensive. We know how to live, baby. Luxurious like Egyptian goddess.
Until next time, y'all be easy. And I really hope y'all enjoyed this part 1. Bye.
Close your eyes. Picture me, brother.